My favorite area. Just look at this. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to my new vlog. This is Prithvi and you're watching Prithvi Nivasi. So guys, as you can see right behind me, this is a beautiful BDA property and a duplex. 3 or 4 will just come to know in the video. So I'm going to take this a brand new BDA property, independent house for sale in Bangalore along with the owner, and मैं सब कुछ आपको अंदर जाके explain करने वाला हूँ about the property. So stay in the video till the last. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this is the elevation of the property. Beautiful elevation. इसमें क्या क्या है, what are the qualities, what are the materials used, everything I'll take it directly from the owner. So I'm with the owner right now. So this is 30 feet road right in front. It's a BDA property. So guys, पूरा वीडियो देखना and let me know. Stay in the video till the end. I'm going to show you each and every corner of the property, and this is the gate. I'm entering the property right now. So this is the car parking. So you're using this cladding, right, on the wall?
Yes.
So this is the cladding, right? So the design in the ground floor is this. This is the parking completely. कितने कार आ जाएंगे इसमें?
So 1 car and 4 bikes.
1 car and 4 bikes. And this is the sump.
And this is the borewell.
And this is the borewell.
We have got 3 meters.
3 meters for. Okay, 3 meters for the whole
full house.
Yeah, and this is for the ventilation you're using. And यहाँ पे CCTV camera. And this is the unit in the ground floor. And the switches are of. So in the ground floor there is just one simple room with the toilet. So let's jump to the living room. This right now I'm in a living room, a beautiful living room in the first floor. And just look at this. It looks so aesthetic, beautiful, just like a British house. And this is the living area. This is how we came. It's quite spacious living area. And just look at this. This is the lighting that you will be getting in the living area. The false ceiling. That's how you go up. And this is the dining area over here, which takes you to the toilet. This is the toilet area. And ये dining है काफ़ी about there can be about 8-9 people easily accommodating in the dining area. And then this is the kitchen. Just look at this. Very spacious. And the utility. So guys, if you want a second part of this when the whole house is clean, deep clean, comments में डाल देना that you want to see the second part, a completely cleaned house, neatly deep cleaned house. तो comment में मुझे बता देना. If I get about 200 comments, I will make a completely deep clean. होने के बाद इसका complete home tour में बना दूंगा. If the property is until then available, I don't think so it will be available because the price is. So guys, let's explore what's there in the first floor. So guys, this is the ceiling you can see in the first floor. So this is quite spacious. This is quite spacious bedroom. काफी spacious bedroom है. So guys, woodwork will not be possible in the price what the owner is giving. Price मैं आपको जल्दी बताऊंगा. The woodwork the buyer will have to do. And just look at the ceiling in the bedroom. Beautiful. The balcony for this bedroom. This is the toilet area. काफी स्पेशियस है. And this is again a balcony. So guys, this is also a bedroom with the lightings that is not put here on. वहाँ पे मैंने on किया था lightings. Over here, यहाँ पे मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, so that you can have an idea about the ventilation and the light. This is the toilet. तो guys, toilet में this काफी ventilation है. अभी फिलहाल bulbs are not there, so but still you can see. So this is the second bedroom with the balcony over here. काफी बड़ा है. Balcony is a decent sized balcony. अभी मैं जा रहा हूँ ऊपर where I can show you the third bedroom, and also there is something very attractive thing in the last floor. This is the ventilation. यहाँ से you will get the natural light inside the house completely. So just look at this. This is what is very important. Every house should have this. This is what I feel. मुझे लगता है कि सभी घरों में ऐसा एक ventilation ज़रूर होना चाहिए जहाँ से light सीधा ऊपर से it is penetrating inside the house. So I'm on the last floor and let me see how many rooms. Guys, over here, is this a room or a terrace, or is this a room or a terrace? Let's see. So this is one room without the lights on. ये सब lights है in the ceiling. तो guys, मेरी आवाज़ आपको सुनाई दे रही होगी. काम काफ़ी चल रहा है ऊपर. So bear with my sound quality. In next 15 days यहाँ पे काम, ये सारा काम खत्म हो जाएगा. It's going to be in a situation where I can show a complete house, beautiful house in a good position. So right now 10-15 दिन का काम अभी भी बाकी है. In the meantime, if the buyer is interested, any buyer is interested, you can call me and see this property. My number will be in the description. The price I'm going to soon reveal you. So stay in the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this we've done with the third bedroom. And here you go. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Beautiful. My favorite area. Just look at this. So guys, as I said, this is one of the favorite area which I felt that this, अगर ये मेरा होता then I would take this area as my favorite location. This is the terrace, and just look at this. यहाँ पे you will be doing all the gardening in this side. Side में complete gardening होगा, and if you have clothes, कपड़े सुखाने के लिए सब कुछ अच्छी सी जगह है. This is a beautiful terrace in the property. कपड़े सुखाने के लिए भी अच्छा है, and if you want to party, if there are a lot of people in the house, so that's also possible. Just see this. Or over here in this area you can just plant, and that's for the ventilation. And this is the ceiling for the terrace. And a beautiful terrace. यहाँ पे बैठने के लिए जगह है for everybody. And right behind for the plantation. This corner is northwest corner. तो यहाँ पे northwest corner means it should be a windy kind of area. So this area suits as per the Vastu. This is the northwest corner, and then this is the reason why Vastu के हिसाब से भी this is the right place where you have the terrace. That corner is northwest corner. तो वहाँ पे काफ़ी हवा वगैरह है. So northwest corner में generally there is toilets as well. So this is the toilet area over there in the northwest corner. So guys, so coming to the property again, अभी फिलहाल के लिए I am in the terrace, and as you have gone through the terrace completely, so let's talk about the price with the owner. And so let's go down and talk about the price with the owner directly. Okay, इसका price क्या होगा?
1.35 crores.
1 crore 35 lakhs. 1 crore 35 lakhs is the price of the property. So 1 crore 35 lakhs is the price of the property. Negotiable slightly, or we can go slightly negotiable. And the size of dimension of the plot?
2030, 600 square feet, 2,200 square feet built up.
2030 सामने to the north it is a north facing. सामने it is 20, depth is 30. So 20 by 30, 600 square feet, north facing, and the total built up is
2,200 square feet.
2,200 square feet with a sum. And tank का कितने टैंक है?
2 tanks, 1,000 liters, 2 overhead tanks.
1000 लीटर्स के 2 टैंक है ओवरहेड में. एंड
बाथरूम में सब जैगवार फिटिंग्स आएंगे. इटालियन कमोड आएगा.
Italian commode, Jaguar fittings in the toilets. Italian commode. Good. So the price is 1 crore 35 lakhs, guys.
Furnished kitchen cabinet, wardrobe.
अच्छा, तो kitchen will have a complete woodwork,
Yeah.
modular.
All bedrooms will have wardrobe.
Okay, even the bedrooms will have the
All the
wardrobe.
wardrobes.
Okay, I thought it is without the woodwork. 135 is with the woodwork, semi-finished woodwork. Okay. So guys, this is a brand new property. आपने सुन ही लिया ओनर ने क्या बोला. So 1 crore 35 lakhs is a duplex. This is 3 BHK. This is a 3 BHK and one rental unit in the ground floor आपने देखा. तो totally it is a 4 bedroom. आप चाहे तो नीचे वाला ऑफिस के लिए भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. And if there are a lot of guests, then they can use the ground floor as well. जब guests होंगे for the Griha Pravesh and all that. So completely it's a brand new property, will be handed over to you in next 20 days. Deep clean इसका हो जाएगा. Second part में बना दूंगा. So मुझे comments में if I get 200 comments of second part home tour, तब ही मैं इसका पूरा complete वुडवर्क के साथ में आपका सेकंड पार्ट आपको बना दूंगा इफ द प्रॉपर्टी इज अवेलेबल. तो जल्द से जल्द कमेंट कीजिएगा. डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. एंड दिस प्रॉपर्टी इज इन हेनूर. It's a BDA property and brand new property. And this complete building comes with a proper plan sanction. It's a very good construction. मैंने इसको check कर लिया है. The construction is just beautiful, done by the owner. And you can contact me. My number is in the description. WhatsApp link मेरा description में है. Contact me to see this property with me. So thank you so much watching till here. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. जल्द से जल्द मिलते हैं. Bye bye.